Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on KDA. Recently, the price of KDA broke out another down channel here on the daily time frame chart, by the way. Before that, we broke out another falling wedge pattern this one and this descending triangle as well. Then we had a nice pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of $2. That was, by the way, also the target for the breakout from this wedge as well, approximately at $2. And after that, the price and was stuck inside this channel. Now, recently we broke out the resistance of the channel, and after the breakout, the price line for a while moved above this resistance of 50 cents, but again moved down, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and now this resistance of the channel is acting as a support. At the same time, the pricing is also testing this long-term support zone as well. That starts from 40.66 cents and goes to 36 cents. By the way, right now the pricing has moved slightly down than this 36 cent support. In fact, almost 2 days ago, we also had a long spike up to this next long-term support of 31 cents. You can that we had a spike up to 32 cents, by the way, but could not hit this support. This will be a very long-term, another very long-term support of 30 cents, 31 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here in the month of August 2021. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And on the 7 days time frame chart, KDA has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup of a party, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 28th of March 2025 in my members a few days ago. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of KD, and this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. But after the breakout, after this short pump, the price has once again dropped down at the previous resistance of the channel that is now acting as a support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that at the same time, the price is also moving at this very long-term support zone. That starts from 40.66 cents and goes to 36 cents. Right now, we are moving exactly at this support. And this is a quite long-term support down. Therefore, I would suggest to wait for the price and to close below this support line. Otherwise, if we will have on the closing on the daily time frame, then that breakdown will be not confirmed. However, if we wait for the weekly closing, then that breakdown can be confirmed, and we can expect that it can drop down to the next support of 31 cents that had been previously working as support here in the month of August 2021. And again, it can work as strong support. So far, so good. The price and did not break down this very, very long-term support zone. That is, by the way, coming from the month of August 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now recently we had a short bounce here and broke out this channel, but again, dropped down at this support zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $2. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance that had been previously breaking other resistance here. By the way, from $2 to $2.50 can be a complete resistance zone that had been previously breaking other resistance on here, and before that, we had a long spike inside this resistance zone, but the price line could not break it out. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of KDA. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.